Hey everyone, Richard Cormier with Cormier Insurance Group here in Sebring. It's Friday, the end of the first full week of January. Getting ahead of myself. Just came across some news early this morning, late last night. Just wanted to share with everyone. You'll probably never hear it. It's really outside of the industry. But we have 40 carriers here in Florida that are domiciled in Florida. Of those 44 are going to be taking a financial rating hit this month, and then by the end of March, it's expected to be another 4 to 6 that are going to be downgraded on their financial rating. What this means to you, not a whole lot. However, it does show the financial strength of certain carriers. In fact, we just had 2 carriers go into receivership in 2019, which is really scary stuff. One of the big things that's happening is fraud. It's causing claims to skyrocket when they shouldn't be. And then, also we are a global economy. As much as we like it, hate it, we're a global economy. So what happens with that tsunami in the Philippines that just hit, that affects our rates. The wildfires in California, that affects us. The earthquakes and the ground movement in Puerto Rico, that affects us. Everything that happens around the world that causes destruction to property eventually affects us. The insurance companies have to purchase what's called reinsurance, which is insurance for insurance companies. So when they experience losses, they just pass it on to the carrier, which then passes on to us. For the past few years, we have enjoyed low homeowners insurance premiums. I know you think I'm crazy that I believe that they're low. They are. We have been experiencing a soft market here in Florida for a number of years. That's about to change. The market is hardening up. Carriers are going to be a lot more strict on what they write. Premiums are not going to be pennies on the dollar like they have been in the past. So review your policy, check with your carrier's financial strength. Make sure that they have the reserves that they need to carry a good rating. These companies that went out into receivership in 2019, they gave amazing rates, absolutely amazing rates. But what ended up happening was they couldn't cover their claims. They could not cover what they needed to pay out with their reserves. What ended up, they closed shop, got refunded minus $100. So if you paid into it, you got your money back minus $100. So the market in Florida is getting really tricky. It's always been tricky, and it's about to get even trickier. But anyway, stop in, give us a call. We would be more than happy to review what you have. And this really applies specifically to the homeowner market. But what we're starting to see in the commercial auto market is those rates are just climbing steadily due to the amount of claims that is being experienced nationwide. So give us a call. Anyway, have a wonderful weekend.